for Donald Trump, but blow to Joe Biden as Supreme Court gives order which might affect results. Donald Trump is trailing Joe Biden currently at the polling units as Biden continues to pull clear. Joe Biden leads with 264 votes, while Donald Trump is still far behind with 214. Donald Trump, who was considered as the favorite of the election, saw his position threatened by closest rival, Joe Biden, who was a former vice president of America. Joe Biden continued to lead Donald Trump since day ago and has maintained his lead. However, Donald Trump is sensing irregularities in the election result as he tackled the mail in ballot votes. He reiterated that he will be going to Supreme Court to tender his claims of irregularities in the election. Days ago in Pennsylvania, Donald Trump was leading with a very big margin, which many implies that he already won the state as he has over 2 million votes in the state, while Biden was also at 2 million, but Trump has over 600,000 votes more than Biden. However, fast forward to 2 days later, Joe Biden vote continued to gather strength and therefore finally overtook Donald Trump's vote. The vote at Pennsylvania currently sits at Donald Trump and his legal representative therefore filed a complaint to the Supreme Court, who have now ordered the country of Pennsylvania to separate the mail in ballot received after 8 p.m. on the election day. This might put Donald Trump back in the lead in Pennsylvania and become one of the first win in his charges against the alleged irregularities in the election. This recent update might be the hope for Donald Trump, but it's a blow to Joe Biden, which might really affect the election results in United States of America. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, I will say that Donald Trump is already taking, is gradually accepting defeat for deciding to take the issue to court even when the final result has not been called out. Yes, he's already accepting defeat. He would have waited at least. He would have waited at least for the final result to be called before taking that move. You see, if one is not afraid of something, then you don't have to take that move. Just, allow it to be. You understand? Allow it to be. But Donald Trump is already feeling threatened of his presidential seat, of his presidential position. He's supposed to hold cool, hold calm, and allow the election to be concluded before taking a move. You understand? So be that as it may, I would say that Donald Trump is already feeling threatened. Taking the case to the court shows that Donald Trump is already um, having nothing fear of losing the election. Okay, and that is what we now give Joe Biden more strength to move on and gather more votes for himself. You understand? Okay, so Donald Trump, I would say that yes, you are very very popular, and the opportunity to win is still very much there for you. Okay, but the only thing you just need is transparency. don't allow yourself to be a mockery. You understand? Due to the moves that you are just taking. Understand? Don't use advantage of being an incumbent to win the seat back to yourself. Well, American government is not known for that. America is not like Nigerian that incumbency is very hard to be taken out. Okay, but don't try to take the advantage. Don't try to introduce that to the Americans. Do you understand? Okay, so that is why I'm of this opinion that you just accept defeat. If you lose, just let it be. Let it be that fate is what has allowed what happened to happen. You understand? Because there is nothing one can say or do about it. You understand? Joe Biden coming in and about taking you out of the White House shows how popular and believing Joe Biden is to the Americans. You said it that Joe Biden is one time a vice president of America. It shows that during his tenure as a vice president, he has been of a great and a very good influence to the president of America. Understand? And be that as it may, I'll say that America has built so much confidence and hope in Joe Biden, and that is how it's supposed to be. Just like Nigerians are already gathering hope on on uh, uh, on Osibajo, but that is if the ticket, if Osibajo will be given the ticket to contest for presidency in Nigeria, if the cabals will not hijack the position from him. You understand? So that is that anyway. So my viewers, um, I want to tell us that the United States election has come to stay. Has come to stay, and I know that no matter the trial that may come during the election, there must definitely be a, someone must surely be elected. You understand? One thing I love so much about the American election is that it doesn't entice or attract violence. Okay, it's an election that is very very straight and perfect. You understand? So that is one thing I love about their election. So my viewers, please and please and please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.